Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add photos and annotations to your project. Let's get started. Let's imagine that a water pipe has burst in your apartment and you need to create a report. We select the project, and as you can see here, we are now at the project level. In Magicplan, we have three different levels. We have this one, the project level. If we open the floor plan, we have the floor level. And if we enter a specific room, we are at the room level. But let's see what we can do in each level. I go back here. In the project level, I could add photos directly from the photo section, so I can tap on the plus. I can decide if I want to take my photos on site with the camera or upload the photos from the library if I took them in another moment. And for example, I can select a couple of photos that I would like to add, and I add them to the project. Now you can see that you can also edit your photos, right? If you want, you see here that you can add captions, you can edit the photos, you can also add some markups. Now it's loading here. So if you have, for example, something that you would like to hide, you can also add this blurring option. Take your time, play around, so you will see everything that you can do. Once you're happy, you save the photos. If you want, you can also just start uploading photos without having to create the floor plan. Now let's enter the floor plan, and here we want to attach a photo at the floor level. So we select photos and notes, and from here we can attach a photo. I will simply select a photo here. And I didn't use it before, so maybe we can take a look at it now. I can select markup if I want to add some details or write on my image. Once I'm happy, I tap on done and I save my photo here. We can also add a note if we want, and it will be visible also at the floor level. If I want to be more precise, I can select the room where I have my damages, and I can also add a photo from here. Or if I would like to be even more precise, I will tap on Insert Object, and I can also go in the Annotations and select the photo object, so I can better indicate what part of my room is being represented in that photo, and maybe also where I took that photo in the room while I was on site. So from here, I can tap on the plus camera if I'm on site, or I can tap on the plus and upload a photo from the photo library. I select this one and I add it. So now we do not want to edit, we simply save the photo, and you see that a yellow pin appeared because the photo is now attached to the photo object. So if I select the room, I will not see it, but once I select the object, the photo is there. I can also add something additional from the annotations. So I go into the folder here, and I can, for example, use the annotation shape to indicate where I have the damage. So I simply start tapping here on the damaged area, and I create a shape. If you want, you can also change the color of the shape from both the filling and from the outline, right? So if you want to have it displayed differently, you can also do that. And if you want, you can also add some other details still from the annotations. It's really useful if you want to be as precise as possible and add more details. So for example, we can add here to repair, and we can add the annotation object there. If you also want to add more details, more photos, we also have a nice option in the annotations, which is the 360-degree panorama. So you would add this object and then you can create a virtual tour. But there's an extra video about this topic, so maybe I will link it down here so you can check it more in depth. And last but not least, we can also add a text box directly here. So we can insert our text, source of loss, and we save it. So once you exit the room, you will see this note already on your room, and once you export your project, it will be directly visible there. You can, of course, also add more notes to your room from here, or also attach more notes here to the text box object. Just as a side note, photos and annotations are not included in the sketch plan, but they're included in all other subscription types. So feel free to contact us if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.